Hitesh Gulia in front of his home crowd. Noisy supporters. Has to black all of that out, but he's done very well so far. This is a different prospect though. Fighting for the gold and up against the home favourite. The first of two finals which Kazakhstan will be contesting. Hitesh Gulia has been so good through this week. One has seen him grow in stature, his maturity inside the ring. It will be tested in this match against another young man who's also looked so good in his 2 rounds prior to this. This is a baptism by fire for two men in their early 20s. The future of Kazakh and Indian boxing in the ring. What Nurbek normally tends to do is allow his opponent to have most of the attacking play. But here, he seems determined to try and take the attack early doors to Hitesh. Possibly also a function of who he's facing. Knows that it is a home crowd behind Hitesh. Wants to silence them as early as possible. Knows that if he concedes any numerical advantage early on, it might be a very difficult thing to come back for. Three more bouts to go after this. The men's 75, the men's 85, followed by the final clash of the night. The men's 90 plus category, which will also feature an Indian boxer in Narendra Barwal. Hitesh moving with a couple of explosive punches. But Nurbek does very well to move his way out of it. Punch to the midsection, softens up Nurbek Mursal. Mursal's ability to defend has been his greatest strength, but that will be tested in this contest, no doubt, against a naturally attacking Hitesh Gulia. Round number 7, round number 2 of this evening session. This time, Mursal given a quick warning. What's likeable about Nurbek Mursal is the fact that he's always got a very calm, composed demeanor. He knows that he has the game to come back if he's trailing. You'll see him utilize his height well. Crouches a lot of the time as well. Makes himself a smaller target. And his defense is quite exemplary, although it has been breached once by Hitesh already. Now, putting him into the corner. He comes punching out. Looking to land some counter punches of his own. Yet another feisty, quicksilver bout unfolding at the Shahid Vijay Singh Pathak complex. Few times in the second round that the official has had to intervene. Hitesh land a few more blows. Can he chase him around the ring? At the moment, Mursal is reverting to his defensive style. After showing signs of being a bit more proactive early, maybe it was a deliberate tactic. All about getting that early lead on points and then hanging on. Making sure that Hitesh is forced to get into more of an expansive game. Just saw Sachin Sivach really dominating his performance against Munarbek Saidbekulu. But Hitesh finding Nurbek a slightly different and difficult customer. Because unlike Nurbek from Kazakhstan is a lot more compact with his overall technique and overall strategy. If he gets the second round in his favor too, then Nurbek could well move out of contention or out of reach for Hitesh. To sit back. It'll be an aggressive, attacking, but calculated bit of boxing over the next 3 minutes. Winner takes all. Got to be some error-free boxing from both men. Mursal, one gets the impression this kind of situation might suit him fine if he has to defend for most of it, but he knows that he's only hanging on by a slender margin. It's only 1-0 in his favor. Somehow has to just bring in an element of risk every now and then. Egged on by his home crowd, less than half of this third round to come. The intent is right from Hitesh, but is the execution good enough? At the moment, Mursal is keeping him at a fair distance. Both big men exchanging some heavy blows. Last minute, last chance Salon. It will be a split decision, but which way will it go? Or can we see a knockout from either men? Hitesh has certainly thrown in a few solid punches, but Mursal has defended resolutely. The tiny advantage which he had to try and take care of. And maybe, just maybe, he's done enough. But we shall know soon.